Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's quick video, got some lead magnet ideas with you using PLR. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Today we're focused on lead magnets. So what I have here is automated list profits. There'll be a link in the description where you can go and check out exactly where you can get automated list profits, which is 2 brand new exclusive list building packages every month. As you can see right here, the latest monthly list packs are audio book marketing and green living strategies. And if you scroll down through here, once you get inside of automated list profits, you have 2 of these each month. And what these are list building packs or lead magnets that also come with email as well as squeeze pages that are fully editable and can be used any way you need to generate leads. As you can see here, there's tons and tons of them. And if you scroll to the bottom, I believe they're up to 5 or 6 pages now of these lead magnets that are readily available for you to download and edit. And there are 5 pages. So you can see right here, each package includes fully editable professional written report in Word and Doc, ready to go PDF version, ready to upload landing page with professional graphics, 7 copy paste autoresponder follow-up emails to you to send to your new subscribers, and it comes here with a non-transferable private label rights license, which means you can use it for your own use. You just can't transfer the PLR license. So again, you can see all the packs here, and all you do is simply click the button to download them. So I'm going to show you that right here with the YouTube Quickstart pack. So you simply just click on the download. That will download the file right here, which is a .zip file. You double click that, unzip it, you'll see the directory, you'll go into that. And you can see here you have the PLR license, the emails, right here, the 7 follow-up emails, the report, which comes in Word and PDF, and then you have the squeeze page with all the assets here, the CSS, directions for how to set up the autoresponder code on the squeeze page, the images all in JPEG format as well as a PNG, and then here you have the PSD or the Photoshop files, and I'm going to show you in a second exactly how you can edit this in a free software online. But before we do that, I wanted to show you the index.html, which is the squeeze page that you can upload onto your own web hosting to use it to generate leads. So here is what the squeeze page looks like that comes with it. Of course, here is the cover, YouTube Quickstart, only available for a limited time. And then here's where you will capture the email address, and that will be submitted and connected to your autoresponder on the back end of this web page, your web hosting, and your autoresponder. So as you can see, automated list profits, this complete lead magnet kit comes with everything you need. So now let's talk about rebranding this PSD file or the report so you can make this a little more unique or as unique as you want to. So again, that is a .psd file. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Photopea, or Photop as I like to call it, and simply go ahead and open up that PSD file. So we'll go into our directory, we'll go into the squeeze page, we'll find that PSD file, we'll open up report original.psd, and that'll load up. And then one simple thing you can do is simply click here, go under layers, go under layer style, look at color overlay, and then here you can see that the color has changed in the background. Slide this over, and now we have effectively a different looking cover. It's just that simple to change the color inside of Photopea. So again, you would click on that, you would go to layer style, you would go to color overlay, and then again you could change the color, play around with it. Of course, these are probably some extremes. You'd want to play here, get a nice looking color that really works. This orange is not too bad. So you go ahead, click OK, and you can see that color changed. Now if we were to go back to the squeeze page, you can see there that it is a little bit different look and feel. Of course, you could change out the text as well, and you could make this 100% your own, as well as add your logo or your URL or your author name. And that's just a quick way to change up and rebrand the cover of this report. Now, one other thing I want to talk about is rebranding or changing the format, because you're going to get this in a text format. Of course, right here, it's going to come in a Word doc. You can open that up in Microsoft Word, and you can see that that is yours to fully customize as you see fit in Word. And then you would be able to save that as a PDF with all your own links and your customization. But one thing I wanted to show you and give you an idea for a different type of lead magnet is to take this, for example, this text right here, tip number 1, have a clear vision, is to simply take this and copy that text into the buffer, and then take a tool or get a tool like Content Samurai. If you don't know what Content Samurai is, or actually I believe it's called Vidnami now, I'll put a card up here in the right hand corner. You can check out the complete video here on Content Samurai. Basically what this is a video creation software that automatically generates scenes and even an auto voice and background music for you from text. So I'll just real quickly show you inside. You have tons of formats here. They have the landscape format or the square format. So for example, if you're going to post this on social media, the square format is very popular. So we'll go ahead and we'll select lime green. We'll use this template. Again, there's a full tutorial and walkthrough on all the features here on the channel. You can check that out. Again, the cards or the link in the description. So what we'll do is we'll just paste this in here, and we'll go with tip 1, have a clear vision. And then what we'll do is we'll copy this, use that for our title, and we'll just create scenes. And you can see here what Content Samurai or Vidnami has done for you is generated these video scenes for you, and you simply just scroll through these video scenes. And of course, again, like I said, there is a complete tutorial that walks you through all of this. But it's very simple to see here. What you've done is you've changed this from a text-based lead magnet to a video that you could simply embed. Once someone signs up to get your lead magnet, you could take them to a thank you page and show them this video versus giving them the PDF. Just another lead magnet idea, a way to change it up, a way to change the value of the information, the way to change the format into one that might be perceived as a higher value or targeted towards a different audience that is more accustomed and likes to see this type of format. So again, that's Automated List Profits. You get 2 monthly list packs every month once you join Automated List Profits as a monthly member. Again, there'll be a link in the description for 30minutemarketing.net Automated List Profits. When you click that link, you'll land here on the sales page. You can scroll through here. You can watch this video that explains it in more detail, and you can simply click here to join now, and you'll get direct, immediate access to those lead magnets that you see right here, and you can start generating your own squeeze pages, lead magnets, generating leads, start driving traffic to those, and building your own email list. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, check the link in the description, pin first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. 30-minute timer here on that end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the next video that's going to be here on the end screen. Click that video, keep watching for more awesome content, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.